Stop yelling at me. Stop yelling at me. Oh, what? You want to run up on me now? No. You don't bully mommy. Jaspy.
Good morning, Agatha. Are you having a good day? No way. Oh, well, I'm glad you're having a good day. Okay, love you, bye.
No need to worry if your cat does this. The baby is perfectly safe. Buddies with maternal instincts can pick up on even the tiniest changes in a pregnant human. Whoa, this feels warmer than usual. I guess I'm about to become someone's babysitter soon. Even when this furball is just admiring beauty with curiosity, the predator vibe's still out there.
Aqui na aldeia, ó, é assim, ó.
Someone's giving "don't touch me if you don't want trouble" vibe, but the monkey just never cares.
Hi.
Pregnancy produces higher body heat, and the warm belly becomes their ideal spot for making biscuits. Bacteria are probably the only ones these guys haven't tried to befriend yet.
You want to say hi to him? Okay.
Come on, buddy. The baby's privacy won't be leaked through the mum's belly button.
You were fine.
I said I like tight spaces, not being completely sealed away.
What is your name? What is your occupation? What time is it?
Sometimes the most unexpected friendships are the ones that turn out to be the truest, huh?
Do you know what that is? Mama's not having a cat. It's a baby.
Proof that a beautiful relationship can exist even before meeting face to face. Are you seriously looking for cuddles from the most patriarch of the coop, huh?
Biraz çirkin ama. Çirkin misin sen?
Ha, öyle mi? Çirkinsin sen de.
Çirkin. O çirkin biliyor herhalde.
Biliyor musun?
Çirkin. Tamam güzelsin.
Mango, speak to me.
Out of the kitchen. Daisy, go. Go out of the kitchen. Go. Go.
From this moment on, the cat will be by your side constantly to protect you.
He's kicking right here? Yeah, you feel him. He's kicking right here. Feel, girl.
No matter how many friends this furball has, sleep is still his #1 priority. Only a best friend can get away with disturbing this sleepyhead like that.
You don't even know. Jenny, is your couch so cozy? Is your couch so cozy?
Hey, get off of us. Get off, bro. Seriously, get off. Hey, get off, get off. Come on, get off, man.
Te cae bien la lupita, uy.
When you're done being a predator and just want friends, but they don't know that yet.
Hand tremors, my thumbs would twitch, racing heart palpitations.
Sounds like what? Anxiety,
Stress.
right?
I chalked everything up to stress, absolutely.
Right. How many people in the audience felt any of those symptoms today?
Kiddo really doesn't miss a single chance to turn anything into a playground. Cats are already caring towards pregnant women, but pregnant cats, that's pure soulmate energy.
Myra, come on, we gotta go to bed. Come on, we gotta go. Myra, come on, let's go.
Looks like Buddy thinks Human actually understands your deepest feelings.
Do you love me? Yeah. Are you sweet, girl? Can you just be sweet?
Once you're their friend, you'll be groomed down to every single paw like this.
Tenny, be nice. What? Oh my goodness.
Cadê? Cadê o neném da barriga? Ele tá pulando pra você.
Species doesn't matter. What matters is that they both love to run around to bond.
Chicken, you can't eat. You can't eat the dog food. Chicken, you can't. Give me it.
Hey, Porky. Bring it all the way. Bring it all the way.
¿Qué quieres? ¿Eh? ¿Quieres pollito?
I'm raising my voice about things.
Looks like Buddy thinks a gentle massage will make the pregnant human feel much better.
Are you gonna be a good boy?
One more time.
I love you.
One more.
You're gonna be good. My good boy. Okay.
Say I love you.
I love you.
This social butterfly is so tiny that the horse can't even believe Kiddo's trying to make friends. Both mimic others, but the cat mimicking a sloth just confuses the parrot.
Today, no more. You're inside for... Stop. You're inside for the rest of the day. Why are you talking back to me?
Oh, did you feel that? He kicked you.
There's definitely a tiny creature in here, and I don't even need to prove it.
Huh?
Oh.
Yeah, but I don't know where you want to go. Ow!
It was a grisly scene. So I checked whether he was alive or not. And it was obviously he wasn't. Oh, dispatch. I've got an officer down.
You yelling? Hey, why you yelling? Why you yelling? I know I got you. I'm gonna give you treats right now. I know you want treats. Let's go get them.
我知道。
They also get more clingy during Human's pregnancy. See ya!
What? This is the cutest. Oh my goodness. Aren't they like best friends?
Earl, get down. Get down from there. No, get down.
Cats do love grooming, but not while they're fast asleep. You cow.
Are you upset at me? I'm sorry. I did auditions today, but I will feed you now.
No, seriously, what's your problem? What's your problem? You the new kitty now? Huh? Huh? Motherfucking lip down. Motherfucking lip down. Motherfucking lip down.
So gentle, right? That's how cat friendships are. See you next time.
Go yell at your daddy.
Take that back.
Cats' circle of friends has no specific limits. Even enemies can end up being besties like this.
All that kitty loving.
Sometimes being friendly just isn't enough to make a stranger drop their guard. Sometimes talking isn't as clear as just taking direct action like this. Huh, kiddo?
Now? What's now? I don't understand.
Looks like someone is practicing their public speaking skills by rehearsing by themselves. Are you trying to get the bunny to teach you some high jumping lessons, huh? Pregnant women tend to move more gently, so cats instinctively feel safe around them. So, you're basically sleeping for the pregnant human too, huh, fella?
I'm sorry. I had a busy week and I'm tired. And then you came to my door, didn't you? You did. You shouted at my door, just like that, yes. To make sure that...
Cats have sensitive ears. No, they're only sensitive to the people they don't trust.
Stop that.
Being gentle and loving skinship is a plus if you want to befriend safety-first buddies like cats.
I love to get in sparkly dresses.
Tell me about it, man. Really? It's like you're trying to make a word out.
Wanna view him? Your cousin's inside of here.
What? This is so weird. What the? Yo, he's hugging him.
Sorry. You're mad.
What are you doing? You can't come. T. She's just a mini you.
Bitching to be, you're bitching to be bitching. I hear you. Try to talk underneath your breath because I can still hear you. I don't care.
Well, you've finally become the center of attention, just like you've always wanted. Your talent for sensing the tiniest movements is finally paying off, isn't it, mate? The baby must feel so cozy enjoying this furball's purring while still in the womb. Look into my eyes, Human. I'm ready for you to introduce someone new to me.
What is this? What's wrong?
Some cuddles and affection are enough for this buddy to accept any friend request. The turtle's going to have a tough time keeping up with your energy, mate. Someone wants to socialize so bad, they're invading personal space.
One more hour till you're hungry now?
You can't be trusted. You fight with the other cats. Stop back chatting.
Hello? Hello?
Smeagol, you're just not scared of anything, are you? Coco, are you giving him a back massage? Huh?
Isır oğlum ısır.
Hayır ne oldu ben onu anlamadım.
No matter how naughty they are, a pregnant human always makes them turn super gentle.
Good morning. How are you doing? Are you having a good time out here? Say good morning.
As they realize the baby grows larger, their protective instinct becomes even more apparent.
Sophia's a baby troll.
What are you doing, Sophia? She's trolling the baby. I can't touch. No touching. Okay.
It's a baby? Oh my god. I'm literally crying.
Hi, Coley.
These guys talk much when they're hungry too. See you soon.
You ready to go eat?
Looks like the only requirement to be this dude's friend is to be a furball.
Seriously? Do you ever let up?
Get down. Get down. Get down. Get down.
You're in my territory now, so you have to play by my rules.
Good morning, everybody. Candy colored poems. That's Shaba, thinking he knows how to play. Mookie and Goose are best friends. So he's kind of...
No, I'm not through. Get up. Go.
Yeah, Grace.
You don't need to be.
Hey, do you ever wonder, like, what is going on? I mean, like, do you ever, like, wake up or do something and you...
Quit it. You're driving me nuts.
No. No. No.
Are these two having a showdown to see who has the more attack power with pure cuteness? Hey, want to be my friend? Wait, why are you frozen? I'm right down here.
Can't have any of this. Because it's cheese. You know you can't have cheese. No, you'll get your little tummy upset.
These furballs are fuzzy ultrasound machines since they can hear the baby's heartbeat. See? This is exactly how a possessive friendship works.
You laying with your baby bro? Really? Good boy. Give me somersault. Yeah? Good girl. Good girl. Yo. Hey.
This sweet buddy knows exactly how to soothe both mommy and his future bestie.
Buddy, give it to me. Give.
Get off the table. You're gonna get sprayed. Remy, off the table.